Kanet, geser tuh Kak, biar mereka yang delegasi yang 20 mau menanam. The delegates to mana orang? Sudah.
Ini ya kalau misalkan ini banget. Kameramu dulu juga.
Nina's here. Bam Rajput.
Everybody needs to be recognized. Right? We're going to release the information program of the local academy.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Konjol Sultan, Wazir of Samosir, with all Forkopimda. Welcome to you to Samosir, to all delegates, women to the summit. Nice to meet all of you and everybody in Samosir. Moras!
Okay, we'll be welcome by some contact dancers. Enjoy. We can follow the contact dance. All you have to do is
Tahun 66 membawa Ibu Pablo Duarte menuju ke Jakarta.
Udah gak sabar orang bule, udah gak sabar. Orang bule udah gak sabar. Ayo.
2
Where are you from, Mama?
India.
India. Ah, good ya. Your face ya. Good. Pretty. Good ya. No, young. Your face. Young ya. Iya, young. Keren. Ini dari negara mana, Ibu?
India. India.
Oh ya, Ibu dengan hati ini senang dari
Government. This is parrot fish, ikan nila. Jadi we are with them to put into the water.
Okay.
Fish, parrot fish, ikan nila.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oke, Mama.
Mau foto?
Iya.
Itu bisa di foto. Iya.
Tapu bolon ini, tapu bolon.
Nah, di kita menjelaskan.
Lapor tangan dulu deh.
Iya, Mas Solin.
aku tahu dalam berbeda tidak tahu.
Karena kami pun nggak semua dapat
Duh. Beres.
Tuhuta Sialaga Samosir Island.
People in this palace, we're very happy and flattered for your visit in Samosir. We hope you enjoy your days in our island, Samosir and King Sialagan Palace. Now we are going to give a Batak traditional banquet for 24 people as representative as our memories. Please accept this Batak blanket and don't forget, in next day, please come to our place. Go.
Thank you very much. The music, please. We would like to ask. Please take your seat comfortably on the line.
Now we are officially welcome you to our place by using Batak custom, proverb and rhymes. So if I call in tea time, 1, 2, 3, let me say chorus tea time, and then we go back to sit in the amphitheater. Well, Pilma Poki, bau-bau tak salungan, Pirmaton ni muna, julu-julu mah pesamutan. Saat-saat iso masahap gotean, leling mahita mangulo, saat-saat mah tumpang gabean. Let me proud chorus 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Chorus! 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 Musik.
With all due respect, we ask all the delegation.
Make your
Please
Tahan mau sama ini kondisi.
side. To all the delegates who doesn't have the seat yet, you can have the seat on the right side of the amphitheater. And welcome aboard to our distinguished delegates of Women 22 Summit. Horas, Horas, Horas! It is indeed a great honor for us to have all of you here in our beloved land, Samosir Island, to have the opportunity to be part of this incredible event on Women 20 Summit, Recover Together Equally. I will be glad to inform you our itinerary in this wonderful gathering. We're about to have the Honorable Samosir Region Minister
Authority, distinguished delegate of Women 20 Summit, and to all of dearest invited guests. Initiating this welcome, let's raise our most gratitude to the Almighty God that we are all able to delightfully gather here today. It is a great honor for me to welcome you all, our dear colleagues, and to welcome our most distinguished delegate of Women 20 Summit. Here in Samosir, and right now, we gather in one of the most important cultural sites, as well as one of Toba Caldera UNESCO Global Geopark, Geoset at Huta Sialagan. Ladies and gentlemen, I would gladly to introduce you to a brief geological history of our land, Samosir Island. A massive eruption of Toba Mount around 740,000 years ago is considered by many volcanologists to be the largest volcanic eruption in all human history. Toba massive volcanic eruption had created the caldera Toba, which gradually becomes the famous Lake Toba as the largest volcanic lake in the world that we have come to know today. Samosir Island, with all of its valuable reserves in geological heritage, its biodiversity, its community cultural diversity, and have been appointed by our president as super priorities tourism destination in Indonesia. Another record of history in 2020, Toba Caldera UNESCO Global Geopark has fulfilled the criteria of becoming a UNESCO Global Geopark. Our respective audience, Batak people, have come a long way for many long years of our civilization. We can witness around us the strengths of our historic geological footstep and it's strongly rooted in cultural until now, and that what we keeping on doing to this today to preserve it as a valuable legacy for our future generation. And of course, we are not going to be here today with all the riches that it brings today, really because of the matter of one man show. It is the respect, alignment of our compatible partner that we often refer as mother, sister, wife, woman that with all of their heart, their power, their mind, and their sacrifice. That most of the times, putting others' need first, become themselves, and this is Women 20 Summit. It's all about the Batak woman. For intense, our Batak women, since the very young, have been taught by our parents to grow up to become an equal, strong, well-mannered, knowledgeous partner that will later in the future supporting the economy of the household and for the society. It has been known in our local society, Batak women are a passionate, hard-working spirit on supporting the family economy, and for generation, Batak women have actively involved in agriculture, farming, market, handicraft, and over time in developing our tourism potential in micro, small, and medium enterprise product to help the competitive hour of local entrepreneur, and even for broader effort to participate on building the nation economy and endurance. Batak women, in my words, are an eager role model for their children education. They will their best hard work on providing a better education for their children, and now of Batak generation have spirit out across the world and taking in many important roles, be it in business, law, music, fashion, cultural, governance, and many more. And I personally can say that it is our privilege that we have our own pride to this day, our Batak woman. Ladies and gentlemen, we deeply hope through this Women 20 Summit Forum can be a great momentum to inspire all women in the world to unite in a voice of the world, voice to move forward with dignity and integrity, to take part in our society for gender equality, internationally economic growth, and participate in building up a strong foundation for the nation. Our beloved colleagues and distinguished delegate, with a humble heart, we are asking for a bit of your favor. Anytime now when you safely back home, arrive in your country, to hopefully share our experience while you're staying here in Samosir. And I'm all the more delighted to welcome you all inside visit of Women 20 Summit. Please enjoy the beauty and the breathtaking of Lake Toba, and last but not least, have the best and wonderful experience. Thank you for your attention. Soras, soras, soras.
My name is Gading Johnson Shalaban. I'm the 17th director of the King Shalaban. So welcome to my place. There are two things I will tell you here. First about the Batak House, and then about the King's Soldier. But before that, I will explain you. This place is one of 19 geosite, part of the Geopark Caldera Toba, names Amtutu geosites. So welcome to one of the park geosite Amtutu. Well, I hope you're not too close. I need you to move back so that they can see what I talk about. Yeah, please move to the left and to the right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there are 8 houses here. Okay? It's not originally, because my father said in 1923, before that, there are 3 houses only here, but it's burned in 1923 due to the fire. Now they make small house, and in design of Batak house should be facing to the mountain. Can you see that? All Batak house design just must be facing to the mountain. But unfortunately, this 4 house not facing to the mountain. Before revitalization in 2019, our president come here, asked me to change this, become a Batak house. But unfortunately, not facing to the mountain, but facing to village. It's not Batak standard style. Well, if you see Batak house, there are 2 teams in Batak house, rear teams and front teams. The rear team usually one hand span higher than front. Can you see that? If not trust me, you can measure yourself. I will help you. But why they make like that? Why they make like that? If the front team represent parents and rear team to represent next generation, the parent hope his children must be more better than his parents. And the door of the house, they make very short and small. It means whoever go inside the house, they should go ahead. I want to tell you, for what this picture, and the first in the left of the king, the higher level integration of the king's is the Hoja views. Hoja views is the and and in the ground they put animal. Well, that is about the house. Now I will talking to you about the soldier. Please, this area clear. Please don't stand here. For the kingdom. Now this advisor became busy as longer. So that's why immigration now a lot of lawyers use a helpful body. Trust me, believe me, if you like bow your head to respect the people if you enter the house, will be having something. Do you know what? Your head with them and don't look it. If you don't trust me, you can try yourself. There are two types of Batak house. The Batak house, if the stay from the bottom, we call the big house or bottom house. And if the stairs from the front side, as you see that is the Siaporik house, or we call common people house. Why they say common people house? Because the Siaporik house used the common people, but the big house used by the king of his generation. In the big house, usually a lot of ornament. The Batak say Gorga, G-O-R-G-A, Gorga. All these Gorga have meaning, more than 100 Gorga in Batak. If I tell you each one by one, I need one day, one night to tell about this. I don't think you want to sleep here to hear about this, do you? I will tell you about the only invisible Gorga. Let me see, there are masker left and right, we call lion marks. And the close to middle, we call elephant marks. So this mask are a symbol of strength of the whole people who live there. And also, in Batak believing, this mask can protect them from evil spirit. And also, if you see the lizard and four-cycle this four-cycle is symbol of woman breast. This woman breast is represent fertility. So the man going to marry, he looking woman with fat and healthy body. Because Batak believe, if this woman can give a lot of children, good generation and healthy children. And lizard. If you see lizard facing two woman breasts, as we know, lizard can crawl in the roof, in the wall, and in the floor. Lizard you can find in any supermarket. Lizard you can find in any country. So this lizard symbol Batak life. This lizard is Batak termination is Boraspati, means life, the style life of Batak people. So this lizard represents that Batak can live like lizard. They can live anywhere, in any country, in what condition, in wherever they want to go anywhere. I've been, who come from France here? I've been Toulouse. Yeah, I'm the 5 learners. The serious crime, whoever made a big crime that unforgivable for the king, something like cheating with one of the king's wife. Second, all of this is unforgivable, and only one decision came up there. After came to another torture behind this wall. So that is about this place. Well, now, before we continue to another place, maybe we invite you to
W20 ini dari kita sendiri PPK Samosir, apa dampaknya ke depannya? Karena ini kan merupakan promosi efektif dan efisien.
Ya, baik, terima kasih. Tentu ini sangat membawa dampak sekali bagi pariwisata Samosir ya, karena dari W20 ini kurang lebih ada sekitar 20 delegasi dari berbagai macam negara di seluruh dunia. Tentu dengan kedatangan dari delegasi dari W20 Summit yang akan membawa promosi bagi Samosir untuk keluar ya, dan juga tentu membawa dampak yang baik ya, bahwasanya pariwisata Samosir sudah siap untuk menerima para wisatawan baik itu dalam negeri maupun di luar negeri.
Apa aja yang paling kita tonjolkan tadi Pak untuk menyambut para delegasi?
Tentu tadi karena delegasi hanya mengunjungi satu wisata ini, yaitu Huta Sialagan. Jadi tadi kita menceritakan bagaimana tentang Huta Sialagan ini sendiri, kemudian juga termasuk sedikit tadi saya bercerita mengenai asal muasal dari Pulau Samosir ini, berkat dari letusan Gunung Purba sekitar 74.000 tahun yang lalu, juga sekaligus karena ini tadi Women 20 Summit, W20 Summit, ya, saya juga menceritakan bagaimana tentang posisi wanita yang ada di Kabupaten Samosir, ya, mengenai kesetaraan gender dan lain sebagainya, seperti itu.
Untuk pemberdayaan ini kan isu paling utama mereka adalah pemberdayaan perempuan pedesaan Pak dan disabilitas. Ini dari PPK Samosir sendiri ke depannya jadi mengedepankan pelaku UMKM yang perempuan itu atau bagaimana?
Ya, tentu kita membuka ruang seluas-luasnya untuk kaum perempuan untuk bisa ikut aktif terlibat dalam seluruh penjuru pembangunan, ya, termasuk dalam birokrasi. Posisi-posisi wanita juga menempati posisi-posisi strategis. Kemudian untuk UMKM juga kita lakukan pelatihan terhadap kaum wanita, dan juga kita bisa lihat para petani juga sekarang juga sudah banyak para wanita ikut membantu di sektor pertanian, seperti itu.
Kalau untuk target Pak ke depannya kita mau menargetkan berapa persen peningkatan untuk wisatawan mancanegara pasca W20 ini?
Ya tentu setelah kita menghadapi situasi pandemi COVID, ya tentu dengan adanya 20W Summit ini kita mendapatkan promosi yang gratis ya, promosi gratis dibantu juga oleh dari BPUDT. Terima kasih untuk BPUDT. Tentu kita berharap setelah pandemi ini Samosir sudah lebih dikenal dan lebih banyak lagi pariwisata dari mancanegara yang datang ke Samosir, seperti itu.
Izin Pak Bupati. Dengan adanya kunjungan W20 ini Pak Bupati, apa harapan ke depannya ke Kabupaten Samosir dengan adanya kedatangan tamu-tamu dari W20 ini Pak? Apakah nantinya ada penambahan wisatawan datang ke Samosir Pak?
Ya tentu kita tadi seperti saya katakan, kita harapkan wisatawan akan datang lebih banyak dari Samosir dan juga lebih banyak lagi dari berbagai macam negara. Misalnya kalau selama ini mungkin Samosir hanya dari daerah-daerah sekitar di Asia, ya, dengan adanya W20 Summit, ya, dengan lebih dari 20 delegasi seluruh penjuru dunia, maka kita harapkan akan lebih banyak lagi turis dari mancanegara yang datang ke Samosir. Seperti itu.
Pak Gadi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Perkenalkan, saya Tantri Dia Kirana Dewi, Ketua Komite W20 Indonesia. Untuk penyelenggaraan W20 Summit, di mana kami hari ini ke Caldera dan menuju ke Huta Sialagan, di mana semua karya anak bangsa, terutama perempuan bangsa, sungguh luar biasa ditampilkan di Caldera dan disambut luar biasa juga oleh seluruh masyarakat seputaran Danau Toba dan Caldera.
Nah, izin isu yang diangkat dalam W20 ini apa Bu kira-kira?
Kami ada 4 isu. Pertama adalah gender equality, kemudian yang kedua adalah inklusi ekonomi, ketiga adalah health, dan yang keempat adalah adalah Rural Women and Women with Disability, di mana semua sudah terjadi legacy untuk rural women and women with disability. Jadi semuanya sudah berjalan dengan baik, Komunika dan Troika juga sudah berjalan dengan baik. Insya Allah akan kami bawa ke Bapak Presiden Republik Indonesia, Bapak Jokowi, untuk disampaikan di G20 Summit yang akan dilaksanakan di Nusa Dua, Bali, Indonesia.
Ya, teringatnya mulai dari kita perjalanan orang Ibu dari Danau Toba tadi Bu ya sampai ke kawasan Huta Sialagan ini, bagaimana kira-kira tanggapan dari para peserta W20 ini Bu?
Sangat-sangat menyenangkan, para peserta begitu enjoy dengan perjalanan dari Caldera menuju ke Huta Sialagan, apalagi pada saat di cruise yang telah di support luar biasa oleh ASDP, makanya kami juga berterima kasih kepada BPODT juga ASDP di sini. Mereka sangat bangga sekali, mulai dari saat pelepasan burung dara, kemudian tanam pohon, dan kemudian menyebar benih-benih ikan di seputaran Danau Toba.
Ya, kira-kira harapan Ibu dengan adanya W20 ini, khususnya di Kabupaten Samosir Bu ya, apa Bu kira-kira harapannya dengan isu-isu yang berkembang untuk kawasan Danau Toba ini Bu?
Kami memang berharap sekali dengan adanya W20 Summit ini, perekonomian terutama UMKM di seputaran Danau Toba bisa makin terus meningkat dengan adanya objek pariwisata yang terus digulirkan oleh pemerintah Indonesia.
Ya, terima kasih Bu. Izin sekali lagi namanya Bu.
Saya
untuk menenun ulos, untuk membuat kerajinan, membuat makanan dan lain sebagainya. Jadi saya pikir ini juga mudah-mudahan bisa memberikan efek kepada peningkatan ekonomi secara khusus untuk kaum perempuan di Tanah Batak.
Sebagai legislator nasional, apa yang mau Abang sampaikan melalui Partai Abang Nasdem untuk mendukung para perempuan di Samosir dan Danau Toba umumnya?
Saya rasa kalau Partai Nasdem sudah memberikan kesempatan yang partai pertama yang bisa keterwakilan perempuannya melebihi 30%.
Wow.
Jadi ini mudah-mudahan ke depan juga ikut menarik para kaum perempuan, jangan alergi berpolitik. Politik itu juga adalah tempat kaum perempuan. Jadi kaum perempuan bisa memperjuangkan hak-haknya, memperjuangkan kesetaraan dengan ikut aktif berpolitik secara khusus di Partai Nasdem.
Terima kasih Bang Martin, sukses selalu.
Amin.
Baik, salam Horas. Kami dari Kabupaten Samosir, pada seluruh wisatawan yang ada di seluruh dunia, kami siap untuk menerima kunjungan wisatawan dan jangan ragu untuk datang ke Samosir.
Tunggu,
Dengan sangat senang hati menerima semua kunjungan dari wisatawan dari dalam dan luar negeri, kapan saja ke Danau Toba.
Pak Kapolres, pastikan aman.
Ya, kami dari Polres Samosir mendukung dan memastikan semua wisatawan yang masuk ke Kabupaten Samosir aman dan nyaman.
Oke, enjoy WA, 1, 2, 3.
Enjoy.
Kamu Samosir, enjoy. 1, 2, action.
Kamu Samosir, enjoy with us.
Horas, Horas, Horas.
Oke, tepuk tangan Pak. Habis. Thank you.
Bisa.
salah kita kenal kita di sini.
Apa ini?
Jadi, stop lah.
Itu siapa? Itu siapa? Clear?
Iya.